In a forest, there was a kind elephant named Ellie. She was much bigger than the other animals, but she always helped them. One day, a terrible storm came, and many trees fell, trapping animals. Ellie used her strong trunk to lift the trees and free her friends. The next day, Ellie got stuck in a swamp and couldn't move. The smaller animals, remembering her kindness, worked together to pull her out. Moral: helping others brings help in return.